OEM product. Package weight 0.068 kilograms. Package dimensions 6.35 L by 8.89 H by 7.62 W centimeters. Made in China. Top reviews from the United States. Solved check engine light problem. 2004 Avalon. Check engine light came on. Went to Toyota dealer. Said fix would be $830. I said no thanks. Dealer gave me printout of code. I checked code online. In the meantime, the check engine light came on again. Read that typical problem is gas cap. Ordered this genuine Toyota gas cap. Had friend with code reader reset check engine life to turn it off. Replaced old gas cap with this one. Have now driven over 2,000 miles since with the check engine light remaining off. This gas cap solved my problem and saved me $830.